Chaudhary, the petitioner herein.
All right.
In respect of that, your lordship can see annexure E1, that at page 41. What is the extract which I have produced before this court? That is the 11, survey number 11 is Fulubani Karab. Adjacent to the land of survey number 12 and 13. He is cultivating the land from 66, 67. His name is entered, Chaudhary name is entered in the cultivator's column. Then thereafter, your lordship can see in the year 1993, all the three survey numbers converted into agriculture to non-agricultural purpose, and thereafter a layout as forum and sold the several sites to several persons. And persons who are purchased the properties are all in possession of the property. During the 1903, my lord, the offence is, according to them, the offence was committed. Then your lordship, the complaint was lodged on 2016 for after lapse of several years. Then your lordship can see the offence is 13(1)(d), E, and 13(1)(c) and D of Prevention of Corruption Act. He is not a public servant. He was not an MLA at that time. He was an ordinary person. He was only MLA at the time of. No, that is not one. MLA only 2016. Chaudhary was holding the post of 1990 to 2004. As on the date of offence, he is not MLA. These provisions will not attract. He is not a public servant.
All right, we'll consider it.
ಯಾಕೋ ಒಂಥರ ನೀವೇನೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ?
ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ನೀವು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ?
ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಟರ್ಬ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡು. ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ.
Then your lordship again to say, when the land was sold several years back, then laterly your lordship they filed a complaint on the instigation of a sitting MLA. Even if your lordship will see MLA has issued a letter dated 3/8/2016, quite annexure of page 51. A rival, political rivalry. He has made allegation that he converted the land and sold the property. Because of that reason, my lord, he was a sitting MLA, hence this the police was investigated. Yes, your lordship will say annexure of, my lord. That is the sitting MLA that is on.
All right, yes, that's the complaint, is it?
Yes, that is the letter given to the.
Letter given, not the complaint.
Not the complaint.
Yes,
letter given to the Chief Secretary Revenue Department.
All right.
Then in turn he referred the matter to the investigation. Preliminary investigation is conducted, and this affair is filed.
So it's political rivalry.
Political rivalry only. Lord, that your lordship can see that the Chaudhary man, I think your lordship is not heard. He is the one of the honest MLA and minister in our area. Because of that reason, your lordship can see he never committed any offences. Because this is a Karab land, converted the land by the deputy commissioner, then thereafter your lordship can form the layout. It is not a government land. It is adjacent to the property of survey number 12 and 11.
All right. Yes, respondent. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
This complaint we have received. It discloses a cognizable offense, but still not preliminary.
Again, investigation stay ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು, everything.
10 years ಇಂದ investigation stay ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಸಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ,
ನಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್.
The buck
Even
stopped.
before your lordship also we argued.
ಹೌದಾ? ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹೌದು,
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಲ್ಲ,
Anyway,
3-4 ಸಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
no worries, the buck stops now. Yes.
After receiving complaint, we have conducted.
Oh, I thought charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ, FIR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ಹೌದು.
Preliminary inquiry is conducted. Preliminary inquiry reveals disclosure of cognizable offense, and so also involvement of the petitioner also. My learned senior colleague said that in the complaint his name is not there. Complaint refers to officials of the Davangere Municipal Corporation being hand in glove with the other petitioners, and in the preliminary inquiry it reveals the names of these persons. So FIR is registered again.
Yes.
My lord, I appear for respondent number 5 in this matter, the complainant.
Complainant.
Please.
Yes.
My lord, filing a convenient synopsis.
Synopsis.
They're not fresh documents, my lord. These are all documents that are amalgamated for the convenience of. They already
Convenience
have these
compilation.
documents. Please, my lord.
All right, yes.
My lord, now my endeavor before your lordships today would
Oh,
be,
one is citations.
one is citation, one is compilation.
All right.
My lord, my endeavor before your lordships today would be to show as to why under 482 your lordship shouldn't interfere and why the investigation must go on. Now, my lord, I will go date-wise so that your lordships will see how the entire crime that has taken place from the year 1966.
1966.
Please, my lord, it starts from there. Now, my lord, I'll start now. The genesis of the entire case, my lord, lies in three survey numbers: survey number 11, 12, and 13. Now, my entire case is that, my lord, survey number 11 is a government land or grassland, or also called as Hullu Bani Kharab land, which is a B Kharab land, my lord. Now, if your lordships will take, my lord, the last document in the convenience synopsis.
Last document.
Please, my lord. Page 129.
120.
9. It's a sketch. Your lordships have it, my lord.
One moment, madam. Sketch. All
Yes,
right.
I just want to point out this first, my lord, so that your lordships will keep in mind the positioning of the survey numbers and how on top, my lord, your lordships see, my lord, the first two columns, the first two rows. That is survey number 11, which is the Kharab land. Below is survey number 12 and 13.
All
So
right.
this survey number 11 that is there, my lord, is the Kharab land. And in this sites were formed and sold. So I just want your lordships to keep this image in mind, my lord, so that when we go through the documents, your lordships will understand how 12 and 13, my lord, were converted
Survey number 12 and 13. So this
while
Khara-
converting,
for clarification, survey number 11 is B Kharab.
please.
11 and 12 and 13 is theirs.
Please.
All right. Yes.
Now, my lord, I just wanted to point this out first, my lord, to show to your lordships how, while converting 12 and 13, they have also very conveniently converted 11, which
11
they could not
also.
have ever converted because
What's
it's a
the
big
extent
Kharab
of land? 11.
1 acre, 19 guntas.
All right. Yes. Carry on.
My lord, now, the first document which your lordships will find, my lord, at page number 9, my lord, it's document number 1, which I want to show to your lordships. This is all their document. There are no fresh documents that I've placed on record. I just want to make that clear. Document number 1, my lord, page number 9. My lordships will see, my lord, it's a RTC which points out the year 65-66, my lord. It says Hullu Bani Kharab. Your lordships have it, my lord.
Survey number 11.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, my lord, in thereafter, now on top, my lord, in column number 9 and 10, my lord, it also says Hullu Bani Kharab. This is survey number 11. After 65-66, my lord, from the year 66-67, automatically the name of the one Mr. Chowda Reddy starts appearing, who's one of the petitioners in this. But there is no MR, there is no transfer, there is no grant, there is no convenience. Nothing has been done in their favor. Automatically, the name starts reflecting from the year 66-67. That is there in the same RTC document number, page number 9, my lord, document number 1. After Hullu Bani Kharab from 65-66, 66-67 onwards, Mr. Chowda Reddy's name starts appearing. Subsequent documents, my lord, page 10, 11 are also the RTCs. Now, I would want to take your lordships to page number 15, which is document number 2, to point out, my lord, this is the present RTC as on today. Lordships, you'll see, my lord, it's from the date 2021 till date. In column number 9, it again says government land, Hullu Bani Kharab.
Correct.
Yes. The name of the petitioner is not appearing, it's not reflecting.
Yes.
So, my lord, it's admitted that it's a government land.
That they also admit convert agide anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Convert ಆಗಿದೆ.
Placing the facts, my lord. It's not converted.
All
They
right.
could not have converted it. Right?
Correct. That's
It's a Kharab land, it could not have been converted.
Convert ಆಗಿದೆ. Conversion.
These are the, my lord, facts your lordships will have to remember that as on today also it's a government land. And therefore the actions that are going to be explained to your lordships further could not have ever been committed prima facie. Now, document number, my lord, your lordships will see at page number 16. I just want to point out at page number 16, my lord, document number 3. This is to show, my lord, that the current act of crime that was committed was when the petitioner was holding office. The argument that he was never holding office is false. Page number 16, my lord, is a timeline of events. Now, in column number 11, if your lordships will see, my lord, it's Chintamani Taluk. Mr. Chowd Reddy's name is up here, Chowd Reddy. Ombatne Vidhan Sabha, that is 9th Assembly. From the date of 18/12/1989 till 17/12/1994.
Hmm.
Why I'm pointing out this, my lord? Because the argument was that he was never holding office. I will show as to how during that relevant time he was.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, the next document which is important as to why he was holding office becomes relevant here, my lord, because 19, page number 19, document number 4.
Hmm.
It's the conversion order.
Hmm.
29/5/1993.
Hmm.
So this is well within the time when he was holding office. He was holding office from 18/12/1989 to 17/12/1994. So, my lord, this conversion order is from 29/5/1993.
Hmm.
And, my lord, the intention or the act that the idea behind this was 1993 document. They say survey number 12, this conversion order. They suppress the fact that survey number 11 is also being converted. Everywhere they say survey number 12, 13, which is precisely my case. Just because the land survey number 11, which is a Kharab land, was adjacent to their lands, they have conveniently converted that also. And in every document they said 12, 13, 12, 13.
So 11 is never projected.
Never projected, but it's converted.
Yes.
And I'll come to that later, my lord.
Yes.
19 and 20 are relevant documents with respect to survey number 12 and 13.
Hmm.
19 is with respect to 12.
Hmm.
20 is with respect to survey number 13, my lord.
Hmm.
Both of the same year and same dates, 29/5/1993.
Hmm.
Please, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, after this, they enter in the petitioner and his sons, one Mr. Balaji and one Mr. MC Sudhakar, my lord, they enter into a partition deed. They, my lord, in these particular survey numbers, divide the sites among themselves.
Hmm.
Now, in survey number, the other two people, my lord, one Mr. Balaji and one Mr. MC Sudhakar are sons of Mr.
Chaudhary.
Yes.
All right. Hmm.
Who's also now the present MLA, my lord. One of the sons.
Hmm.
Please. Now, my lord, in survey number 11, there are total of 27 sites.
Hmm.
But I just want
So,
to, yes,
on the Kharab land,
yes.
27 sites are built and sold.
Sorry,
27 sites are formed,
Yes.
houses are built and sold, is it?
5 houses are built, constructed as on today, my lord.
Yes, all right.
Out of 33 sites, 27 sites are allotted to these people, the present petitioners and their sons.
All right. Hmm.
Now, my lord, I will point out the relevant sale deeds as to also show again how every sale deed that they have. Now, my lord, first, after the partition deed was done, the petitioner and one of the son, MC Balaji, have entered into a GPA. They enter into a GPA, my lord, with one government employees housing cooperative society,
Hmm.
Chintamani, to give the power to the GPA has entered, and then they give the power to this housing society to sell the sites on their behalf to the, now my lord, once it's a government housing society, only the members of that society can be allotted these sites. So what they do very conveniently, enter into a GPA, give the power to the president and one of the secretaries to sell the sites on their behalf. Thereafter, so I'll show, my lords, in this, how in survey number 11, these particular sites are there, and these are those relevant sale deeds, my lord. At page number 38 is page number 38 is the GPA.
Hmm.
6/12/2003, my lord.
612, yes. Hmm.
Names of Chowda Reddy and MC Balaji is reflecting, my lord, in the first para itself.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, page number 39 is also relevant, my lord, where it's highlight the portion to show that it's given in the favor, the GP is given in the favor of the housing society.
Sarkari Naukara Graha Nirmana. Yes. Hmm. Yes.
What is relevant here is, my lord, the names of Chowda Reddy and Balaji is there. MC Sudhakar's name is not there, even though he has sold the sites.
Hmm.
But his name is
That's in the
missing
power
from
of
this.
attorney.
Yes.
Yes. Hmm.
So, my lord, from page 38 onwards,
That's the power of attorney with
till
respect to all
53,
sites.
yes, 53, till page 53, my lord, that's the GPA.
53
Now, my lord, page 54, my lord, is I've produced 3 sale
Sale
deeds
deeds.
just to show how each one of the persons, Chowda Reddy, MC Balaji, and MC Sudhakar, have sold these sites. And these sites, although in the sale deed, it says survey number 12 and 13, these sites are actually of survey number 11.
11.
Again, the fact that it is survey number 11 is not represented here.
Yes.
It's suppressed here. Now, my lord, I'll just point out the first one, my lord, page 54, document number 7.
Hmm.
The schedule is not there. Page 56, my lord, your lordships will see.
Hmm.
11.1 to the unnumbered last para, my lord, Sankhya 56.
Hmm.
So now, if your lordships will go to the last document that I showed, my lord, the survey sketch.
Yes.
Here. Now, 56, my lord, your lordships will see. On top, it's under survey number 11.
Correct.
That's MC Balaji who has sold.
That's sold.
Yes. Now, but however, in the sale deed, it says survey number 12. So each one of these sale deeds, my lord, survey number 56, sorry, site number 56, then the next sale deed, my lord, is site number 54, which is also part of, which is at page 63,
Hmm.
MC Sudhakar site.
Hmm.
That is site number 54.
Hmm.
That is also misrepresented and suppressed that it is not part of survey number 11. But however, if your lordships will see the sketch, my lord, it is also part of
Hmm.
survey number 11.
Yes.
And the next one, the last one is, my lord, is the site of Mr. Chowda Reddy.
Hmm.
Site number 43, that is also part of survey number 11 and not 12 and 13, which is again suppressed.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, thereafter, the Tahsildar, my lord, next document which is relevant, my lord, is document number 11, which your lordships will find at page number 79.
Hmm.
Now, just a brief background, my lord, as to how the complainant gets involved into this entire, how I filed a complaint.
Hmm.
The complainant, my lord, contests in the municipal councillor elections and gets into office in the year 2014.
Hmm.
That's just a backdrop, my lord. I'll show the certificate later.
Hmm.
Now, page 79, my lord, is an endorsement that is issued by the Tahsildar.
Hmm.
He issues this endorsement, my lord, to show that how this survey number 11 was never granted to any government organization, let alone a private party. Second paragraph, unnumbered paragraph, your lordships will see.
ಕಚೇರಿಯ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ.
Great.
Yes.
Tahsildar endorsement to show that how it was never granted to any government organization or any.
Hmm.
Please.
Yes.
Now, my lord, this is the next document, my lord, is important at page number 80, document number 12. This is a response of Mr. Chowda Reddy to this endorsement in the newspaper article in Vijayawani News, which he comes forward and he says to the when allegations were raised that it's an encroached land, he comes forward and he says, my lord, the relevant portion your lordships will find at page 81.
Hmm.
The last two paragraphs, my lord,
Hmm.
where he says that if at all there is some error committed by me and my family members and we have encroached the land, we are ready and willing to give an alternate land. It's shocking how, my lord, they can come and make such statements when the land was never theirs. They're ready to return the land and to give alternate land now that they've already developed sites on it.
Hmm.
So this is relevant, my lord, because there's an admission by them saying that they have encroached these lands.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, my lord, the next document would also be relevant, my lord, where the Commissioner of the Municipal Town Corporation,
Hmm.
10/2/2015, also passes an order.
That there is encroachment.
Yes, there is an illegal layout formed in survey number 11, which is 1.